Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you what I packed for my trip for my hair shoots in Lagos. So I started first by getting out my bag of clips and bobby pins. There's also like a brush, ribbon brush inside the bag, and some other pins. Next is the Tresemme heat protectant spray I use to protect hair from heat. Next up is my needle and thread, my U-bone for bridal padding, my pink ribbon brush, my pink rattle comb, these ones are the NOB listings. They have chocolate, butterscotch and honeysuckle. Next up is my Hair by Any brown, light brown listing mousse, followed by my wax stick and my shampoo in an ordinary container, my Moroccan argan oil, my developer for mixing bleach, my Hair by Any liquid gel. This one is my Moko Spirit. It's used to clean the glue. Hair by Any Skin Protect. My Mist Shine or Shine Mist. This is my Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 leave-in conditioner. Got Bee spray. And my Ultra Set holding spray. This one is the elastic band. There are actually two. And this is my Hair by Any lace glue, perfect for laying frontals. Then this is bleach powder tied in a little nylon for safe movement, easy movement. So this is my coil iron. It's 22 in size. Next up is my Nova hair dryer, and after that you'll see my hot comb. Thank you for watching. Bye, and see you in my next video.